breakfast. The team are getting on. Here's the lovely Linda, the lovely Leanne, and then Gaz is behind us.
Hi.
There's Marae, Barbie girl. And John, how you going, John? You good? How was your breakfast?
Very good.
The breakfast of champions.
Yeah, that's right.
Our first bit of fun and frivolity on our Easter Adelaide trip is Adelaide Zoo. We're going to go and visit pandas. Woohoo!
Woohoo!
And we weren't sure if they were going to be here, but yes, they are. So here we go. This one looks a little bit empty, this enclosure. Oh no, there it is. Oh, what am I talking about? There's a bloody...
No.
What is it? Komodo dragon. But it's not fully grown. Oh! It's just seen John. He reckons you're a bit of a tasty morsel, John. I think he wants to have it, give you a kiss. Little Loma python here. It's going a bit of a slither and a slide. Here's the gang, the team, the rebels.
Oi.
Look at them go.
Rebels. I know who is.
Here's one of the male panda. We've got male and female panda here. He's 4 and she's 5. The other ones were 20 years old when they went back to China. We're wandering through, so you said the pandas eat a specific type of bamboo when they're in China. So that's why I'm showing you the bamboo. And then you're introducing them to different types of bamboo from Australia. So now they've got 3 types of bamboo that they feed them on. They've got a plantation north of Adelaide that they grow all the different types that pandas like to eat. Visitors right up to the fence here. There you go. You don't get much closer than that. Look at him. He's going, hello.
Hello.
So what are you weirdos looking at me for?
Hello.
Got some sort of little monkey chugging along here. Oh, back into the trees. There's a beautiful looking giraffe there. Very majestic creatures, giraffes. Julie's right onto the giraffe. She likes the giraffe, I think. Julie. There's Christy. No.
Oh my god, you're hilarious.
What? Giraffe's lifted his head up. It heard Christy talking.
It heard you talking.
A couple more giraffes around the side here that we hadn't seen. A bit of a nibble. Eating some sort of leaves, we don't know what though. Team madly taking photos of the African grey parrot. Because they've just seen King Julian, haven't you, James? Did you like to move it, move it? Gary's on the phone to his share broker telling him all about the animals. It's one of the cassowaries. Now, I believe they are endangered because we're basically taking over their habitat. Well, humans are taking over their habitat, not us in particular, but humans.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Just standing on one foot.
Gary's standing.
Now we've decided, Gary's decided he's going to be like the bird, stand on one foot. This tortoise is out for a bit of a run. What's farther, the tortoise or the hare? One of the white-faced gibbons, just chilling out, relaxing, just hanging around like you do as a gibbon. The birds in this enclosure here, they're just flittering around our heads, little flittery things. Pretty cool. This is a pygmy hippo. So it's only a little one, but still quite dangerous. We don't want to go giving it love taps or kisses or anything like that. You've got 2 Sumatran tigers just sitting there. The top one keeps opening his eyes, looking at us going, I wouldn't mind a nibble of those people. Just put your arm in and I'll have a bit of a nibble. Decided we're going to throw the smallest person in, and that is Christy. Christy, we're going to throw you over the fence and feed you to the tiger. She's good fodder. Julia reckons next, and then either Gary or Michael will be soon after that. James and I'll be last because we're the tallest and the biggest. Carol, you don't have much meat on you, so we're not going to throw you in. So right at the back there, we're at the enclosure, that's the small clawed otter. It sort of pops its head up every now and again, so you don't see it all the time. Here are the little penguins. Cute little suckers. We've got them in Phillip Island, so we do see them there, but also there you go. Come to Adelaide Zoo and you see them here too. We're at Chachi's, which is linked to the motel, and they won't let you eat unless you wear a sombrero. See? Look at Linda, she's looking like a vision there. What do you reckon, Linda? Are you going to get up and do a dance for us today? Tonight? Here's the team. They're looking very Chachi's, very Mexican. Christy's Mexican hat's so big that it doesn't even remotely fit her head. So let it just sit down, Christy. Show us what it looks like. So she's got such a small head she can't see if it goes right down. She's la cucaracha. So has our Easter bilbies been around? A couple of guilty looking faces here. Well, we'll see what they've done. Easter egg hunt starts. Bang, and they're off. And they're racing. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. They're off. They're hunting for the Easter eggs. They're going nuts. They're enjoying themselves. The walkers are streaking ahead. Look at them go. Looks like Michael's got them some Easter eggs. He's got a few little runs on the board already. He's off and running. John's wandering off into the nether. Leanne's close. She's close. They're right near the base of the tree, but she's just wandering. Oh, it looks like James might be onto something there. Linda's going in for the kill. She's going to pick them up. She's going, bugger you, I'm getting the eggs. And Greg's wandering off into the wild blue yonder as well. For some eggs. The Easter bilby has shined brightly upon Linda. Have you got any, Gary? Oh, Gary's picked some up. Good on you, Gaz. Leanne's on the sniff as well.
Oh, yeah.
James is on the sniff, but he can't bend down. So we'll give him a hand. Got some eggs. He's loaded them into his Hague's bag in the walker.
Yes.
Leanne's going for another round of chocolate. John's got a couple of rounds, so he's all topped up. His pockets are full.
Someone left their shoes here.
He's doing a bit dancing. We're waiting for Christy to get up because she is the queen of dance.
There we go.
Our Easter bunny dancing.
Oh my god, you like your
Dancing queens and king. Been to a lot of places around here, but we're going to go to the clipper ship, which is called the City of Adelaide, and we're going to learn some maritime history today. This beautiful big old clipper ship. It's a mid-1800s ship that's survived throughout the years, which is quite amazing. Most of the team up here, but not all of them. This is the deck. 270 people lived on this deck. Families in the centre, women up the end there, and men behind. Yeah. Whew. Feeling seasick already. Here they're rebuilding the deck. We're at the poop deck. No, it's not really. This is where the captain was, and then they're rebuilding the saloon deck out through here, and they're rebuilding either side. 7 cabins either side, shared bathroom there. Each cabin had a toilet of such, but wasn't too fancy pants. One of the modern toilets on board. I'm not sure that'd be so great while the ship's rocking and bopping and things like that, but the cabin that I'm standing in would be lucky to get 1.5 single beds in it. And they used to put people in here. Wow. This round window is the original, one of the original windows. They'd only be able to open it if it was clear weather, otherwise it was closed. You get very, very hot and stuffy. We're in the belly of the beast, or belly of the ship as they say. The belly of the beast. And this is where they used to hold all their cargo. Alright, back on terra firma. Hello, Thaler Gary. Are you a Thaler?
Yeah.
A Thaler? There's Thaler John there. Hello, Thaler John. Here's the other Thalers. Linda did well. She climbed up and down many, many steps on the clipper. All the various ships. This Bradley barge is the one that the clipper ship sat on for 10 years, and it was only last year they moved it from here across to where it lives today. But it was a major, major mission to move it from here and put it across to where it lives today. It's a really good view of the clipper ship. Amazing, absolutely amazing inside. Well worth a visit. Ray, Christy, and the lovely, lickable,
oh my god.
luscious, lovable Linda. There's Gaza. Gaza. Michael.
Of course.
Big James. And the lovely Lily. John's headed off to the little boys' room, so he'll be out shortly. And then we're going to wander through the Maritime Museum of South Australia. The sad part about our local environment now, they've got a lot of waste products going out into the water. So this long tube right there is all the yucky stuff that goes out into our waterways that we should be collecting and putting in the bin rather than going out there, because it gets caught up in all our creatures out in the, like the whales, dolphins, seals, turtles and things like that. Very bad for them. We don't like that. We don't like that at all. She's dressed up in the clothes of yesteryear. But she giggles all the time, so it's not really a real photo. She's a silly Billy. Little lady's looking very regal and nice and gorgeous. Stop, you've got to be serious face, not smiling. So they never used to smile in the olden day photos. The clothes that John suits.
Yes.
So he's going to become a model at the South Australian Maritime Museum, we've decided. Very cool.
Thank you.
Just saying to the gang, imagine being up there on that mast, pulling up those sails while it's rocking side to side, backwards and forwards. Whew, I think you'd be feeding the fish a few times. We move across into another section of the Maritime Museum. We're seeing our ship head out to sea on its faithful voyage. Hopefully we don't sink. We're in the Aviation Museum at Port, I keep saying Port Melbourne, but it's Port Adelaide. Having a bit of a wander around. Here's the team, the gang.
Hi.
So this is inside one of the aircraft that we're visiting. And this is one of their luxury passenger aircraft. You can see the legroom that Marvellous Murray has. She's got a little bit of legroom. And even for Michael, look at that legroom there. Loads of legroom. And Christy Small. Her legroom, she's got loads of legroom and a tray table. So travelling back in a few years ago was a lot more comfortable than it is today. Got Michael in one of the aircraft now when he's going to take off. He's ready to go. Look at him. Is it good, Michael?
Yes.
Are you going to fly away?
Don't you start.
Do you still hate boats and aeroplanes?
Don't you start.
Now Christy's going to go flying, but the problem is she can't see over the dashboard.
Shut up, Peter.
So she might actually crash this plane if she flies too far. Come to another shed and they've got some big boy planes in here. Monstrous ones. Inside a military aircraft, so imagine sitting here hanging on to the seats and everything else. In here, all the telecommunications, I imagine, and tracking where all the enemy and friendly aircraft are. What a job. James has climbed the steps, climbed back down. He's like an athlete. And I'm just saying to the rest of the gang, imagine being stuck in this. You're floating on the sea. You're in this thing for a week because your aircraft has gone down. They're not sitting in these seats, they're in that little thing there. That would be a tough gig. This is us, another day. We're doing a little cooking school today, which should be good. It's actually a cooking school in a shopping centre, which is a bit funky. One's got to get an apron and then assign themselves a desk or a place to weave their magic. The team's chopping their onions up, cooking the chicken. Gourmet delight is being prepared. Hey, the Queen Chef, there she's beating up the mixture. I guess she's not beating me up, really. Here's Gaz. He's just checking it out, making sure it's all fitting together as it should. Christy, are you stirring up your strog? He stirs everyone else up. Michael's sous chef here. Are you stirring the strog? Leanne in the zone. She's holding the mixture. John's supervising. Good job at supervising, John. Make sure the bowl doesn't fly away. Proof that Michael is a master chef.
Ready for the candy stock.
Ready for the candy stock route. These desserts is gourmet. Look at her. Michael's weaving some magic with his. Christy's butchering or filling hers in, I'm not sure at the moment.
Thank you.
There's love in it. There's love in it. That's what we need. lovely ladies here are just swarming through the shop. Whereas the look on James's face is just a classic. He's going, what the hang? Wandering through Hahndorf. So you're going to wear the lederhosen? You're going to wear the lederhosen, John?
Yes, okay.
Do the little dance, yeah?
Yes.
And Leanne, yeah? And James, you're going to wear do the dance, yeah?
Maybe.
The gang have nearly shot themselves out. They're getting low on funds now, so we're going to head off to Border Town and just have lunch along the way somewhere. We're leaving Hahndorf.